In this brief tutorial, we will show you how to change the air filter on your Aspen Smart Air Purifier. A new filter is typically required every 9 to 12 months. The LED circle on the power button of your device will flash red, letting you know when it is time to replace your filter. To access the air filter, gently pull on the top of the front panel to remove the front panel off your air purifier. Remove the old filter. Then take the new filter and remove the plastic cover. Making sure the arrow is pointed towards the device, insert the new filter into the purifier. Once the new filter is securely installed, push the panel back into place to complete the process. After you finish, remember to reset the filter timer on your Aspen Home app. This will stop the red light from flashing on your air purifier and will create automatic notifications the next time you need to replace your filter. For more helpful user guides, visit us at www.theaspen.com.